Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add margin or padding on left or right side on WooCommerce cart page, checkout page, on my account page, in mobile layout, in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our cart page. You don't see any space on left and right side. So this is a mobile layout. On desktop, layout is good. On mobile, we are going to add some space on right and left side by using custom CSS. So we are going to use page ID. So this is our cart page and this page ID is 7. Now you see cart page. Now go to custom CSS and we are in additional CSS and we are using media screen. So this CSS only apply on maximum width screen 1024 pixel. So you can add number 767, 768 pixel according to requirement. So we are going to add it. Now paste. So now we add CSS and then you see padding left 20 pixel and then you see we added important. Padding right 20 pixel we added important. So you can add this and then you can add your page ID, card ID, checkout or my account page ID here, post -7 and then click on publish. And you'll find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now publish done. Go to mobile layout again and refresh the page. So you can apply this CSS on any page builder like Avada, Elementor, any theme. Now you see space added on both sides. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.